is the guest of police headquarters. His name is PC or Police Constable Tusime Abdallah. Tusime Abdallah, you must have been seeing him on social media. He went very viral, braving the rain and carrying out his traffic duties. I think around that is Mawanda Road. Braving the rain. So to see me in the view of Uganda Police, he demonstrated a remarkable dedication to his responsibilities, and we have received, that's not the first time, we've received numerous reports praising his enthusiasm and commitment to duty. But most importantly, I would like to convey the Inspector General's message of appreciation for his patriotic spirit. The Inspector General of Police tasked me to particularly make him know that he has been appreciated. And so that's when I also went a mile and said, beyond that, let me even bring him forward and you see him in person. The Tusime you saw is the Tusime who had been beaten by the rain. The Tusime before me here is the one who is dry and smart, so you can see him physically. I'm also going to give him one special offer, if you allow. I'm going to give him 1 minute to sit in this chair and just say hello to the world seeing him out there. And to see me come. Let me stand. I stand. No, don't mind. Just 1 minute.
Afande, for a picture.
For a picture?
Yes.
I want to thank God Almighty, Allah, for this moment. Two, I want to thank Afande for giving me this opportunity to sit on this chair today. Above all, of course, I want to also thank police for recruiting me, because it was one of my dreams since childhood that I would one day work for Uganda. I really appreciate that. Not forgetting media, of course, and the viewers worldwide. Bambi, thank you so much. I really love my country. I love Uganda. That's the reason why I couldn't even see rain. And even during sunshine, I'm always there. And I can promise that I will always continue working hard and hard for the country. Thank you so much.
Okay, ndugu Abdallah. Nemu Uganda,